Sometimes a change of place or the change of environment pushes you to do so many new things. I've been in Bangalore for the last 3 years and I think it's time to change the environment. Hi guys, I'm Shan Chahar. Welcome back to the channel, and I am moving to a new country, not just a new city this time. There are so many reasons I want to move out. I got an opportunity. I created the opportunity. I did not get it actually. So, बहुत बारी life में you have to do things that you never thought of. Never in my life I would have imagined that Nishant will move out of India, will move to a new country. So I've packed a lot of things. All this here is not packed as of now. I have not decided what to do. Everything happened so fast, but I have packed whatever is needed for me to start a new chapter of my life in a new country. Bagi, guess where I'm actually going. I'll create a different video for that for sure. I have my flight tomorrow morning, and yeah, I just have one day. So let's continue packing. So I cannot take a lot of things because we have a limited luggage only. I've packed a few books as well. So these are the only 4 books that I'm taking with me. This one was recommended by one of my friends, Yajas. He started reading this and he said this is one of the books that you should definitely read if you are having a creative block. So yeah, let me finish this. I'll probably see you in the evening. I have a few things to get done and tomorrow we have our flight. So guys, we have entered our room and abhi chal rahi hai unpacking after packing a lot of stuff. Now we are setting our clothes. So let's unpack together and set up. So after our first grocery run, we are back. We went to Carrefour and got so many things. Here the white tissues. Then I got fresh berries. 3 तरीके की गिर गई एक तो. उसके अलावा गॉट फ्रेश मशरूम्स पास्ता बनाने के लिए. उसके अलावा रात की क्रेविंग्स के लिए मकेन. फिर पास्ता लाया. देन राइस नूडल्स एंड दिस बैग इज एम्प्टी. इस पर कुछ डिस्काउंट नहीं. टोटल 400 दिरहम्स का हमारा सामान आया है. तो हम ये सारा 10,000 रुपये का सामान ले आए हैं. मम्मी बोलेंगी क्या पागल हो गया है क्या. एवरीथिंग वाज ऑलमोस्ट 2x एक्सपेंसिव. या दैट इज इट. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर तुम देखोगे तो आज हम बहुत सारे नून के ऑर्डर कर चुके हैं और सब अलग अलग हैं. दिस वाज नून मिनट्स, दैट इज नून सुपर मॉल, एंड उसमें लिखा था 47 मिनट्स में आएगा एंड इट केम इन लेस देन 30 मिनट्स भाई. और ये जेप्टो स्विगी सबसे ज़्यादा है भाई. 15 मिनट लिखते 3 मिनट में आ जाता है. आई एम जस्ट सुपर इम्प्रेस्ड विद ऑल दिस. तो गाइस, अब दिन का चौथा 5वां नून ऑर्डर आ ही गया है तो उसको अनबॉक्स कर लेते हैं. तो भाई ये तो सिंपल अपना चॉपर है. चॉपर तो चाहिए ही होता है. ये अपना हमने मिक्सर ग्राइंडर मंगा लिया है. तो ये हैंड वॉश तो मंगाने थे भाई. हैंड वॉश तो चाहिए होते हैं. एंड दिस इज आवर वाटर डिस्पेंसर पानी के लिए. तो मैं यहाँ पे बाहर सोफे पे बैठा हुआ था तो मेरे को सर्दी सी लगने लग गई. तो मैंने कहा यार ब्लैंकेट सा मंगा ही लेते हैं. बस दैट इज इट. दिस वॉज अनदर ऑर्डर. इसके साथ एक और नून मिनट्स किया था मैंने. ये तो सुबह दिन वाला है. इसके अलावा एक और अभी किया था. लव इट. Day 0 is done. Now everything is completely set from making shakes to making food to making everything. Hello friends. So we are going for a coffee run. I thought of not dressing up. That is it. Let's go. So when I was coming to Dubai, everyone said it's so hot. It's super hot. But if you have like grown up in Delhi, currently the weather is normal. Yeah, around 12 if you go out, then it's going to be super hot. But in general, if you don't go out around 12, then it's not going to be that hot. So currently it's 5:30 approx, and it's walkable. Like I can walk easily. I'm not sweating. Like I'm not dripping with sweat. This area is called Sheikh Zayed Road, and just right in front of this we have the Museum of Future. So we are about to reach Museum of the Future. That is the Museum of the Future. तो जहाँ कॉफी लेने गया था, actually वो बिल्डिंग ही टूटी हुई थी. Like this glass on that building was broken. That's why there was no entry in that building. I decided to keep walking, and after walking I reached here. So वॉक करते करते हम दुबई मॉल और बुर्ज खलीफा पहुंच गए हैं. आफ्टर वॉकिंग फॉर अनदर 20 minutes, I've reached Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. So guys, we have got So we have got our garlic knots. So today we have our medical for Emirates ID. After that I'll go to the gym directly from there. So I'm having my protein shake right now. I got the Super U half a kg packet from India itself because I did not know the protein situation here, but like it's readily available in any store. You can get a normal 30-gram protein ka shake. Yeast protein doesn't blend with milk properly. There were some chunks in this. 100% protection. Let's go. See you soon.